Listen, if you think momos have reached their final form, allow me to ruin your entire belief system because today we're making Pizza Bomb Momos, yes. Pizza inside a momo. This is the kind of fusion that makes Italian chefs faint and your taste buds scream in gratitude. Before we start, here are the ingredients so you don't need to pause and rewind 9 times. Juni, 1 cup grated mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons pizza sauce, 2 tablespoons finely chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon finely chopped olives, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Momo dough made from 1 cup all-purpose flour with water as needed and oil for frying. Now watch closely because this goes from normal to chaotic genius very fast. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons pizza sauce, capsicum, onions, olives, oregano, chili flakes, and salt. Mix it now. Take your momo dough and roll out small circles. Scoop in a generous spoonful of that pizza filling. Not a polite spoonful, a slightly dramatic, almost guilty amount. If you don't question your life choices while filling these, you're not doing it right. Shape the momos however you like. Pleat them, fold them, or just seal them like you're hiding government secrets inside. Heat oil and fry the momos on medium heat. When they turn golden and crispy, that is your sign from the universe that good things are happening. This is called Pizza Bomb Momos for a reason. And sprinkle with a tiny bit of mozzarella. You want that cheese bubbling like it is auditioning for a commercial. Now listen to the crunch when you bite into it. Crispy outside, stretchy molten pizza inside. It is basically a love story between momos and pizza, and you are the director. Serve these immediately before someone else in the house smells them and walks into the kitchen pretending to just check what you're making. And if you want more crazy fusion recipes that make 0 sense but tastes like absolute perfection, hit follow so you never miss the madness.